Gen 5 with a 10 rib setup. Month of March, we are doing a sale. What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're here with Xander13 and we are here with Andrew Howe from modernmuscleperformance.net. So go check him out. Guys, you see that right there? You see where it says VMP Performance? Now he's a little confused. He's a little confused right now, guys. He's wearing a VMP hat. He's got VMP Performance on his windshield, but I don't know what his problem is because this is setting up under his hood.
Explain yourself. Come on.
No explanation.
Anyway, guys, so if you've been following my channel, when do y'all get that prop rod? Why ain't you got hood shocks on this thing yet?
Because he's gonna buy my hood.
VMP for life, by the way.
So if you watched my previous videos, guys, you know that I have purchased the Whipple. This is the Whipple that I'm getting. Gen 5 with a 10 rib setup, 3.875 upper with a 20% lower 10 rib. And also, I'll go over here, kind of in my mess right now. Where did I put it, box?
Which one?
Oh, I was like, over here, guys, I have the actual Cobra Jet Code Air intake that is going on it when I put it on my car. But today we are taking this off, and what is going in this place? Well, you might know from the VMP stuff, but we're gonna go right over here and we're gonna check it out. So we are going to put on the ODIN on this car. So speaking of ODIN, for the month of March, we are doing a sale, $9,600 for the VMP ODIN kit that is installed with a 93 octane tune. Yep. Out the door, $9,600 for the month of March. That's cheap. That is very good deal. Cheap. So guys, hit us up. You can hit up him. It's on his website, modernmuscleperformance.net, link down in the description. And then I will be doing the install, but for $9,600, you can get the VMP ODIN installed on your 11 to 20 Mustang GT and the F-150, 50 to 20 F-150.
Yes, and the 15 to 20 Shelby GT350.
All right, guys, so for $9,600, you can get 93 octane tune, VMP ODIN installed on your car, out the door, ready to go. And Wengerd Performance is doing the tuning. If you're not familiar with Wengerd Performance, he's the person that has pretty much tuned all of my cars and does a fantastic job. Last VMP that I installed, he even ended up tuning that car, and the customer is very happy with his tuning. But anyway, guys, remember the month of March, down in the description, go check it out.
What I was gonna say, $8,500 for the kit, right? So tune, install for another $1,100.
Yeah,
It's crazy.
it is. Killer deal, month of March only, so get it while you can. He also has some cool looking wheels. Can I show?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And we may or may not have something, these coming from my car. But anyway, those right there, I love those wheels. But he's got these, and these are gonna be his drag wheels for the rear. What else do we have? You're going with a 4-fuel system.
Correct.
We're doing the 4-fuel system in it. Anyway, guys, we're gonna get all this Whipple stuff off, and it's gonna go on the shelf. And then when I get my fuel system and everything ready, I've got a couple more customers' cars to work on. But once I get all that together, we will be putting all this onto the blue car. But let's get started. All right, so we got the Whipple off, and here it is, guys. One thing I want to talk about is this Whipple only has 1,500 miles on it. The car itself only has 4,500 miles. The last 1,500 miles has been with the Whipple, so pretty much no miles at all on this Whipple, and it's very clean on the inside. And as I said earlier, we got the 10 rib set up. Now, I do have a 20% lower. I have thought about going with the stock size lower and changing some stuff up. Reason being, with the 20% over, and even with the 3.875 upper, we're still gonna be around 15 pounds of boost. I'd like to start out with 13 pounds of boost or around that. That'll be about 800, a little over to the wheel. And that's where I like to start out at and then build from there. Or I could just do the 20% lower, 3.875 upper, 15 pounds, run it that way. But I gotta get the fuel system and a few other things before we put the Whipple on. I've also got a couple of customers' cars that are in front of my car. But however, guys, as you can see, the VMP is setting on the car, but it's not bolted down the car. What we are doing is we are actually mocking up everything for the 4 Innovations fuel system on the car to see how it all fits. Now, I'm not going to do an in-depth install video on the 4 system with this car. I'm going to wait till we put this system, because we're putting the same exact 4 Innovation system onto the blue car with the Whipple. So when I do that, I'm going to do a very detailed video just on the 4 system installation, cover the wiring, cover running the fuel hoses, everything like that when I install it on my car. But man, look at that VMP. That looks so good.
It's big.
It looks so good on there. Man.
Yeah, I don't know which one I like better.
I don't either. But I got a good deal on that. Got the 10 rib set up. Got the Cobra Jet cold air intake set up. Very, very good setup for the car. So very pleased with that. But guys, the VMP, and as I said earlier, we are running that special right now. You can go to modernmuscleperformance.net and check out that $9,600 installed and tuned for a VMP ODIN on a 93 octane tune. But anyway, guys, I'm going to save the next video, and we're going to do the install of the VMP and all the good stuff with it. So stay tuned for that in the next video. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you have not, and we'll see you next time.
It's faster.
Oh, that's going in there for sure. What is going on, everyone? I can't do shit with you guys.
I love messing you up. It's so much fun.
Paparazzi. Ha! All right, guys. You know the intro, so I'm not gonna do it. But anyway.